Let's try a stalk on stalk hand drill friction fire today. We'll use this Mullein fireboard. Hopefully when we cut this off at a 45-degree angle, the walls will be thick enough. And a horseweed spindle. Right there. So the center line will be right here. Cut that 45-degree angle on there. Feels like we have some wall thickness. Now, I'll dig out that pith right there and my spindle will go all the way up against this edge right here. That looks pretty good. Excuse me if I'm not getting the shot, because I really can't see the screen. Let me go ahead and cut my notch right now. That's it. We are ready. I've already got my pine needles processed up. And here's the dust pile that I like to use. Let's see if we can make this work. Horseweed on Mullein. It's not that hard when the walls of your fireboard are thick enough. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. We'll catch you on the next one. I've been eating low carb for about 6 months now. There's the egg salad and the pork skins for crunch. Let's see what it tastes like. Pretty good.